Students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share, and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now, you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. So, here is the answer. You will get daily one video related to different topic or subjects such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics, and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today, we will see a video related to science subject. In that, today's topic is NCERT Solution for Class 8 Science, Chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. Before starting with the textbook exercise, let's do the summary of the chapter. Human becomes capable of reproduction after puberty sets in. Between the age of 11 years and 19 years, children are called adolescent. Children gain height during adolescence. Onset of puberty and maturity of reproductive parts are controlled by hormones. Hormones are secretions of endocrine glands which pour them directly into the bloodstream. Pituitary gland secretes hormones which include growth hormone and hormones that make other glands such as the testes, ovaries, thyroid and adrenal secretes hormones. Pancreas secretes insulin, thyroid produces thyroxine, and adrenals produces adrenaline. Testosterone is the male hormone, and estrogen the female hormone. The uterine wall in female prepares itself to receive the developing fertilized egg. In case there is no fertilization, the thickened lining of the uterine wall breaks down and goes out of the body along with blood. This is called menstruation. Sex of the unborn child develops on whether the zygote has XX or XY chromosomes. It is important to eat balanced food and maintain personal hygiene during adolescence. The onset of puberty brings about growth of the reproductive organs. Hair grows at various places on the body. Breast develops in girls and facial hair appears in boys. Voice of boys becomes hoarse as voice box enlarges during adolescence. Now let's do the textbook exercise. What is the term used for chemical secretions of endocrine glands responsible for changes taking place in the body? That is hormones. Define adolescence. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. What is menstruation? Explain. In females, the ova begins to mature with the onset of puberty. One ovum matures and is released by one of the ovaries once in about 28 to 30 days. During this period, the wall of the uterus becomes thick and so freshly as to receive the egg. In case it is fertilized, it begins to develop. This situation in female is known as pregnancy. If fertilization does not occur, the released eggs and the thickened lining of the uterus along with its blood vessels are shed off through vagina, that is the female reproductive organ. This causes bleeding in women, which is called menstruation. List changes in the body that takes place at puberty. Boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Sudden increase in height. The bones of the arms and the legs elongate and make a person tall. The voice of boys becomes hoarse. Hair starts growing at different parts of body. development of breast in girls. Prepare a table having two columns displaying names of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. So testes, testosterone, that is male, ovaries, estrogen, that is female. Thyroid, the thyroxine, adrenal glands, so adrenaline, and pancreas, so insulin. What are sex hormones? Why are they named so? State their functions. The hormones which secretes from testes and ovaries are called sex hormones. The male hormones or testosterone becomes to be released by the testes, and the female hormones or estrogen is released by the ovaries. The function of male sex hormones and female sex hormones. The male sex hormone begins changes in boys like growth of the facial hair, that is mustaches and beard. Boys also developed hair on their chest and under the arms. The female sex organ hormones or estrogen develops the breast that has milk secreting gland in it. Girls also develops hair under the arms and in pubic. Choose the correct answer. Ado- Adolescents should be careful about what they eat because proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in their body. Reproductive age in women starts when they're in their body. Reproductive age in women starts when their menstruation starts. The right meal for adolescents consists of chapati, dal, and vegetables. Write a notes on Adam's apple. At puberty, the voice box or the larynx begins to grow. Boy develops larger boxes than girls. The growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of the throat called Adam's apple. Secondary sexual character. We know that testes and ovaries are the main reproductive organs, that is the primary sex organ. They produce the gametes, that is sperm and ova. In girls, breast begins to develop at puberty and boys begins to grow facial hair, that is mustaches and beard, as their features help to distinguish the male from the female, so they are called as secondary sexual characters. Boys develop hair on the chest. In boys and girls, hair grows under the arms and in the regions above the thigh or the pubic region. Sex determination in the unborn baby. All human beings have one pair of sex chromosomes as the names X and Y. A female has two X chromosomes, while male has one X and one Y chromosome. When a sperm containing X chromosome fertilizes the egg, the zygote will have two X chromosomes and develop into a female child. If the sperm contributes a Y chromosome to the egg at the fertilization, the zygote that will have XY will develop into a male child. Now, you know that the sex chromosomes of the father determine the sex of a baby. Now, next question is word game. Use the clues to work out the words. So this is across and downs are given. For the hint, we have to do the crosswords. So this is the crossword turn for you. So this was chapter 10 of NCERT textbook of standard 8 science. The solution is done for you. I hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, question or doubts in a comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, or connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.